Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're baking a classic, a lemon chiffon cake. This cake is light, fluffy, and bursting with bright citrus flavor. It's perfect for any occasion, from a casual afternoon snack to a special dessert. Ingredients. For the cake: 1 3/4 cups cake flour, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 cup white sugar, 1/2 cup vegetable oil, 6 egg yolks, 3/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon lemon zest. For the meringue: 6 egg whites, 1/2 teaspoon cream of tartar, 3/4 cup granulated sugar. For the glaze: 1 cup powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons lemon juice. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 165 degrees Celsius, and grease a tube pan. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, baking powder, and salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together the egg yolks, water, oil, and lemon zest until smooth. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. In a clean bowl, beat the egg whites with the cream of tartar until foamy. Gradually add the sugar and continue beating until stiff peaks form. Gently fold the meringue into the batter until just incorporated. Pour the batter into the prepared tube pan and bake for 50–60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool in the pan for 10 minutes, then invert it onto a wire rack to cool completely. While the cake is cooling, make the glaze by whisking together the powdered sugar and lemon juice. Once the cake is cool, brush the top with the glaze. Slice and serve. Tips. For an extra lemony flavor, use Meyer lemons. Make sure your egg whites are at room temperature for the best meringue. Don't overmix the batter, or the cake will be tough. Be careful not to overbake the cake, or it will be dry. I hope you enjoy this lemon chiffon cake recipe. It's so easy to make and tastes amazing. If you give it a try, be sure to let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.